Welcome to our channel. If your Facebook app is not loading or you're running into login errors, don't worry. In this step-by-step guide, we'll walk you through the best solutions to get your app working smoothly again. Step 1. Start by checking your internet connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is active and stable. If possible, switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the issue is related to your network. Step 2. Close the Facebook app completely. On most devices, swipe it away from the recent apps screen or use the app manager. Then relaunch the app. Sometimes this quick refresh solves small glitches. Step 3. Check for app updates. Go to the App Store or Google Play Store, search for Facebook, and tap Update if available. Updates often fix bugs and improve performance. Step 4. Clear the Facebook app cache and temporary data. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, select Facebook, then tap Storage, and choose Clear Cache. On iPhone, the best option is to uninstall and reinstall the app, since iOS doesn't allow manual cache clearing. Step 5. Restart your phone. A simple restart resets background processes and can fix minor conflicts that stop Facebook from loading. Step 6. If you're facing a login error, double-check that your username and password are correct. If you forgot your password, tap on Forgot Password and follow the reset instructions. Step 7. Disable VPNs, firewalls, or other apps that may interfere with the Facebook connection. These can sometimes block the app from loading properly. Step 8. Check if Facebook servers are experiencing downtime. If all other apps work fine but Facebook doesn't, the issue may be temporary, and you'll need to wait until service is restored. Step 9. If nothing works, uninstall the app completely and reinstall it from the official store. This ensures you have a clean, updated version without corrupted files. By following these steps, you should be able to fix Facebook loading issues and login errors on your device. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.